Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is my essential list of what you need on your front porch. Everyone should have at least on their front porch or in their backyard. You gotta have a shepherd's hook with at least a bird nest or a bug zapper on that. If not on the shepherd's hook, on something like this over here, you need to have a bug zapper somewhere. I usually position that a little bit further away, but just for the video, it's right here so you can see it. That thing right there specifically has a solar panel on top so it stays charged all the time. It runs automatically during the day, it stays off. At night it comes on. You can also run it all day long if you like. Awesome piece of equipment. This fire pit has two different platforms you can cook on. It's 36 inches. It's very high quality, super easy to put together. These chairs, guys, and this table, awesome to be able to just sit here and enjoy the outdoors and have something to put stuff on. The chairs are nice and sturdy, super easy to put together as well. And then you have the shepherd's hook, guys. I already mentioned that. It's awesome. You can just put whatever you want on there, and it's just an easy, awesome piece of equipment I suggest everybody has. Also, guys, don't forget the fire pit cover. It keeps that thing covered from the rain and the elements, and I highly recommend all 5 of these products, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.